Alexa, turn on Skynet. On this episode, I'll be showing you how to connect your washing machine to Amazon Alexa and do smart controls with it, which is pretty awesome, coming right up. All right, the first thing you're gonna need is Samsung SmartThings app. And with that, you need to also have an Amazon Alexa, an Amazon Echo, any Amazon power device that has Alexa on it. So that will help you. So first thing you need to do, of course, is connect your washing machine to the Samsung SmartThings app. I do have a video where I show you guys how to connect that. Check it in my playlist if you want to have a look, and then pick up from there to this video. So I've got it all connected. Then on the home page of the Samsung SmartThings app, you need to press the extras option, which will bring up the voice assistant option. So the voice assistant option, you press it, and that's where you get your option to connect to SmartThings. So you click on the voice assistant bit, and obviously mine already, I've connected it to SmartThings. So it's simple as pressing that, and then it will sort of walk you through how to connect to the Amazon Alexa. Once that's done, you can actually now control it through Amazon Alexa to control functions like turning it on and turning it off and starting cycles. So like I showed you in the beginning, I'll do it again. Alexa, start Skynet. There you go. So you can start your wash cycles with Alexa, and you can also pause them with Alexa, which is pretty cool. They can add more functions as it goes because this is an Alexa skill. So I'm hoping that Samsung will add on more functionality, like asking at what time the wash will finish, or what's the status, or if there's any errors that come up. Maybe Alexa will just tell you or alert you and let you know. But it's pretty cool. I thought it's something that in this era of home automation goes a long way, helping you to get the most out of your washing machine, which is Wi-Fi enabled and you can control it. And also if you've got smart devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, really good to have all that connected to your house, to your Wi-Fi, to your Alexa, to your voice assistant, which is pretty cool, pretty awesome. So it's pretty simple to run you through everything. Get the Amazon Alexa, Amazon Echo, whatever device has Alexa enabled in it, and then you get a Samsung washing machine with SmartThings. So the new Samsung AI washing machines do have that SmartThings Wi-Fi connectivity bit in them, which you can use to connect to the internet. And once you have all that, just connect your Samsung SmartThings app to your Amazon Alexa. So an illustration is that this app is connected to your Amazon Echo. You can probably get away with using your phone, but I think it's pretty cool when you just say, Alexa, turn off Skynet. Something like that.
Okay.
Beautiful. Hey, it's just, I can't get over it. Alexa, start Skynet.
Okay.
By the way, I named my washing machine Skynet. So I can go, Alexa, turn off washing machine.
Did you mean Skynet?
Yes. So it's actually smart enough to know that you've actually labeled or named your washing machine something. So I named my washing machine Skynet just because, you know, that's the end of the world, artificial intelligence and all that. But it's pretty cool, pretty awesome. These are pretty good washing machines. I also did a review on these new Samsung washing machines, and you will find them in one of my playlists. pretty cool to have around the house. If I was buying a new device, I'd probably get this washing machine. You know, it's interesting that every 2, 3, 4 years we buy new phones, but we never actually upgrade our washing machines. I think it's something that we need to do. Upgrade your washing machine and then you get this tech. And of course the old ones will get recycled on, so it's a win-win for everybody. But with every new model they have, these guys have always done good stuff. But that's about it. If you guys would like to know how this connects through Google Assistant, let me know in the comment section below and I will make a plan to make that happen. If you found any value in this video, make sure you hit that like button, smash that like button. It does help out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you haven't, consider subscribing. I do post a lot of these videos on how to fix these washing machines and also demoing these washing machines and other home automation stuff. Till next time, cheers.